loves, it's Claudia, and welcome back to my channel. Meditation is a many wonderful, beautiful, and splendid thing. Guys, I've been researching meditation and just reading more about meditation because I am totally intrigued with this process. I've decided to do mindful meditation when I sit to meditate. In this video, I'm sitting here aiming to be mindful. And you might say, well, Claudia, what is mindful meditation? It's when you focus on your body and allow the world to simply fall away. You just become aware of your surroundings in a completely different way. You want to be in the present moment. You're not running from it. You are aware of your breath, its rhythm, and you're even aware of what you're seated on and the sounds that are occurring around you. You focus on your body. You're in your body. You empty your mind in meditation and simply let your thoughts be. You don't judge them when they arise. You bring yourself back to the present moment in silence, and you continue without judgment, no self-judgment. You just sit there and relish in limitless possibility. I'm learning, guys, that you can even rewire your brain with meditation, guys and dolls. You can rewire your brain because meditation increases your sense of well-being. It improves your focus. It opens up channels to your creativity. Meditation enhances our ability to be happy and to empathize with other people. Meditation, get this, improves our relationships. Our relationships, guys, it also improves our sex life. We're more present. We're more attuned to our lovers. Why wouldn't you want to meditate? It even improves your physical health. You can turn yourself around from a major injury like so many people have done with the power of the mind and meditation to get up and walk again. When doctors tell you you'll never walk again, your innermost power, your divine God center will say no. You will say no and believe it is so, and you will gradually make your way back. Meditation enhances the immune system. Believe in this. It allows our muscles to relax. Oh my goodness, meditation slows the aging process. You will look younger. You will feel younger. You will be more in tune with yourself and your intimate relationships and your ability to do certain things, go certain places. You will walk right up to what you fear. You will walk right up to what you think you're not qualified for, and you will go for it. Meditation is that power. Did you know meditation grows your brain? Yes, studies have found that your memory increases, your attention, and you pay attention more, and you pay attention. You focus and pay attention more. You are more aware of yourself. And with self-knowledge comes control, growth, fearlessness. Well, let's edit control and say openness, the ability to be vulnerable, the ability to go for what you want, even when your conscious mind tells you, I wouldn't do that. Meditation tells you, leap. Meditation, get this, drops cortisol levels. You might be going, Claudia, what in the heck would be cortisol levels? Cortisol levels are like stress-induced hormones that suppresses the immune system. So just like you can think your way into poor health, you can meditate and become healthier. You can become the best health that you've ever been because you have raised your body's ability to heal itself. It increases the blood flow to the brain and enhances oxygen flow to the body with deeper breathing because you're all about breathing when you meditate. Get this. It heightens neuroplasticity. What, Claudia? Neuroplasticity. It actually enhances the brain's ability to adapt to demands and changes to organize itself. Meditation increases the body's levels of good neurotransmitters, i.e., what? Neurotransmitters, which would be serotonin, dopamine, just a few. Most importantly, serotonin and dopamine. So low levels of both of these hormones can lead to depression. Why would you choose depression when you could have heightened awareness and bliss in so many different ways? So I've been, yes, reading around the internet about meditation, and I have a few books already that I'm going to pick up, read finally, so they won't just keep dusting my bookshelves, and I'm going to share what I read with you because I am going on a new meditative adventure, and I will be sharing that with you more and more this week. But I hope you join me in meditating more and more because our lives are worth it. Our future is worth it. Our health is worth it. Join me, subscribe, and let's do this. Yay! Give me a thumbs up if you like this content. Thank you. Stand in your own spotlight and love you. Bye.